Podichora is a nice packed meal for people on the go. It is very affordable and it's true value for money. What's up guys, welcome to Chomping Champion. मैं हूं आपका दोस्त अनूप कामत. We have been trying to show you many restaurants as much as possible, maybe once in a week. Sometimes even that is not possible because of COVID-19. So today we have got food from somewhere in a restaurant from Delhi and we are shooting at home. So today we are going to have a dish called Podichora. Podichora, if you remember, I've done an episode earlier, but I was not completely happy with that. So here we have Podichora. Now, Podi means a packet or a parcel and chora means rice. This is in Malayalam. Podichora means a rice which is in parcel form or in a packet form. To many Keralites, this is a nostalgic memory. Podichora. When you go to the school or when you go to office or when you're traveling by train, there used to be a packet like this Podichora packed and given to you so that you can have it when you are on the go or when you are in school or office. So Podichora normally contains rice and a oyuchi curry, a curry which you can pour and mix it with rice and eat, a pickle, an omelette and probably a sabji. So here this restaurant has tried to replicate Podichora. I have a packet like this. So you can see this is a newspaper packet. So you can see this is an ordinary newspaper. We'll open this and see what is inside. So this has been secured by a rubber band. So rubber band is gone. You can see the packet is made of a banana leaf. Let me gently open the banana leaf. So these are the contents of Podichora. Podichora looks like this. So let us see what all is there in this Podichora. You can see the rice. We have a sabji. Lot of coconuts in it. You can see the coconut pieces. There is a lemon pickle and there is a kootu curry which is made of legumes. There is also some dry coconut chutney which is quite spicy. Just see the chutney. So this chutney has got the small madras onions, coconut, the red chilies and little bit of tamarind, but it's completely dry. There is also half an omelette or omelette made of one egg. This is a must with Podichora. All Podichora will have this omelette inside. And to my surprise, I find a piece of fried fish. This is a bonus. I didn't expect it. I thought it's a vegetarian Podichora only with omelette. So we have the sabji, we have the dry chutney, we have a kootu curry, we have a pickle and we have this special fish fry. So to eat the rice they have given sambar. You can see the sambar, there are plenty of vegetables in it. Prominent among them I think is the pumpkin, lot of curry leaves and I think you can see little bit of tomatoes and carrots in it. So let us try the Podichora. So I'm going to take little bit of sambar. I think the fragrance of sambar is quite nice. Mix it with this rice and take a bite. This is the first thing I'm going to taste because sambar is one of my favorite curries. The sambar is really good. The sambar is quite thick. The vegetables particularly give it an additional thickness. It is truly authentic. This is the authentic flavor of sambar. I'm going to taste little bit of chutney with this rice. So the chutney, the sambar and little bit of rice. The chutney is nice, but here instead of the spiciness, I can get more of sourness. It is little more sour for my taste. I am going to taste the sabji now. I think the sabji is made of kundru, a small green vegetable, but there are plenty of coconut pieces. Just see the size of these coconut pieces. So the kundru sabji. Of course I can taste the kundru, but all the crunchy bites are of the coconut. There are also some red chilies and curry leaves in this. Again, this combination really works. The rice, sambar, kundru sabji and little bit of the dry chutney. But this portion is quite large. I don't think I'll be able to finish it. There are still 2 or 3 things which I have to taste. Now I'm going to taste the omelette. It may look like a strange combination, rice, sambar and omelette. But sometimes it really works because this omelette has got all the masala in it. It has got onions, it has got green chilies and a little bit of salt and pepper. Yeah. Also the fact that this is a parcel, which means that the rice and this sabji, they are not piping hot, they are just lukewarm. Actually, if you keep it for 2 or 3 hours, it may get cold. But the fact that everything gets amalgamated, everything gets mixed with this rice, it enhances the flavors. It's actually after a long time I'm having omelette with rice and sambar. Now I'm going to taste the fried fish. I didn't know that they also give a piece of fried fish with podichoru. So without wasting any time, let me taste this fish. I cannot identify which fish is this, but most likely this is a marine fish. It's a sea fish. There is still a lot of rice and vegetables and sambar left. And this piece of fish, I have finished the omelette already and the vegetable sabji made of kundru. Podichoru is a nice packed meal for people on the go. It is very affordable and it's true value for money. This costs only 120 rupees and this is more than one person can consume. Actually, there is a lot of rice. You can see half of the rice is left. I'll eat little more and probably eat the rest for my dinner. I hope you have liked this episode of Podichoru or packed meals. For more food and food stories, subscribe to my channel Chomping Champion. And if you have liked the video, smash the like button. Don't forget to click on the bell button to get all the notifications whenever we upload a video. That's on Wednesdays and Saturdays. Also, please check out our website www.chompingchampion.com. You can get more food stories, news items on food, hotels, etc. etc. Till the next episode, take care and stay healthy. Bye.